Hi guys, welcome to the new session, and in this particular video I'll explain you about surface chemistry. So what is surface chemistry? See my dear friends, surface chemistry is that branch of chemistry which involves the study of phenomena occurring at the surface or interface. That means at the boundary separating the two bulk phases. Now those two bulk phases can be pure compound or solutions. Okay, now the interfaces are represented by hyphen or slash. For example, there are two bulk phases, solid and liquid. So how will I represent them? I will write it as solid hyphen liquid or solid slash liquid. One more important thing, no interface exists between gases. Why? Because gases are completely miscible. So this was about surface chemistry. Thank you.